Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the axolotl hat hack in Dress to Impress. So if you're looking for a way to turn your avatar into the cutest aquatic creature alive, in this DTI tutorial, I'll show you how you can unlock the axolotl hat look with an adorable hack that's dripping in charm and pastel vibes. So this is how the hat will look like. Now let's just get started to create one. So first you're just going to head to the glasses shelf in here and put on this glasses and toggle it into above hat. And next go to the hat rack and put on this one, toggle it to no ears, and here I'm going to change the color into this soft pink color. And next one, put on this hat, use the same color like the previous hat, and put on the sleeping mask, change the first color into white and second color into black and toggle it into on hat like this. Put on this headband and change the color into this brown color, light brown. And you're just going to put on this ribbon here, change the color into red like this. And lastly, put on this love glasses and change or toggle it into on hat, change the first color into white, and the third color into black. And you are done. So this is the final look, and that's it. So this look is totally no VIP and 100% adorable and guaranteed to win hearts. Hit like if you love axolotls, comment your favorite DTI animal look, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more adorable outfit hacks every week. Bye!